Hi, to download Calculator on Google Pixel Watch Free, we are gonna start by pressing this crown to open App List, and here finding Play Store. Right now, we need to tap this search bar on top and use voice input to say Calculator. Calculator. Tap checkmark and then tap search icon to find this app. And yes, here it is. You can even find additional options, but we are gonna install this first one, default app. So select it and tap blue button install. And now just wait a few seconds till it will be downloading this Calculator app until it will appear in your apps list. And here it is. Now we can either open it from Play Store or we can go back in apps list and find it here. So tap to open and now you can use it. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.